Welcome to Consumer Reports. The best vacuum filters is probably one of the most overlooked aspects of keeping your home spotless. Today, we're diving deep into the world of vacuum filters, specifically for bagless vacuums. We'll explore why these small components are absolutely vital for your vacuum's performance, how they impact your indoor air quality, and how to choose the right ones to keep your home clean and your vacuum running smoothly. Number 5. Shark Navigator Lift-Away Deluxe Filter Replacement. These replacement filters are designed for various Shark Navigator lift-away vacuum models. They fit models like ZU503AMZ, NV350 series, and UV440. Make sure to check your vacuum model to ensure a proper fit. The package includes one HEPA filter, 2 foam filters, and 2 felt filters. This comprehensive set ensures your vacuum operates at peak performance. They are all you need to keep your home clean. These filters are made of high-strength materials, effectively capturing fine particles. They trap dirt, pet hair, and other debris, ensuring a cleaner environment. This helps to keep the air fresh. The filters are washable and reusable, offering convenience and cost savings. Simply rinse them with clean water and allow them to air dry completely before reusing. This extends their lifespan. These filters are easy to install and replace, requiring no tools. For optimal performance, it's recommended to replace them every 2 to 3 months. Doing so will keep your vacuum running smoothly. What we like. This filter set includes a HEPA filter, which is essential for trapping allergens and dust mites. It is also washable and reusable, saving you money in the long run. If you have allergies or asthma, or if you are looking for a healthier home environment, you should consider this set. What people say. By replacing the old or worn-out filters with the Artraise replacement, you'll notice a marked difference in suction power and overall cleaning effectiveness. The HEPA filter, in particular, plays a vital role in trapping airborne particles, making the air in your home cleaner and safer to breathe. The filters are designed to fit perfectly into Shark Navigator models. Number 4. Shark Navigator Lift-Away Filter Replacement. These filters are designed for Shark Navigator lift-away models. It is compatible with a wide range of models, ensuring a perfect fit for your vacuum cleaner. The package includes multiple filters, such as foam, felt, and HEPA filters. This comprehensive set ensures that it meets all your filtration needs. These replacement filters are made of high-strength and environmental protection materials. They are durable and designed for long-lasting use, saving you money in the long run. Simply rinse the filters with clean water and let them air dry completely before reusing. This easy maintenance extends the life of the filters and keeps your vacuum running efficiently. Please double-check your vacuum model to ensure these are the correct replacement filters. If you have any issues, contact us for assistance. We are here to help you. What we like. This set offers a variety of filters, including HEPA and foam filters, for comprehensive cleaning. The high-efficiency filtration ensures cleaner air. If you want a complete filter solution for your Shark vacuum and value long-lasting performance, you should consider this one. What people say. These replacement filters are essential to keeping it running efficiently. They're a perfect fit for our NV352 model, and installation is quick and hassle-free. They have significantly improved the performance of my vacuum, trapping dust and allergens effectively and leaving my home feeling fresher. Easy to replace and they fit well. Still allows for good suction and does add to the noise. Number 3. Artraise filters for Shark Navigator lift-away vacuum. These filters are designed for a wide range of Shark Navigator lift-away vacuums. They fit models like NV350, NV351, NV352, and many more. Make sure to check if it fits your vacuum model before purchasing. The replacement kit offers maximum efficiency filtration. It helps you clean dirt and freshen the air in your home effectively. These filters are washable and reusable. Simply rinse them with clean water and let them air dry completely before using them again. We recommend washing them monthly. The set includes one HEPA post filter, 3 foam filters, and 3 felt filters. This comprehensive kit ensures your vacuum performs at its best. We provide satisfactory service. If you have any questions about the product, please contact our customer service immediately. Buy with confidence. What we like. These filters are washable and reusable, making maintenance a breeze. The set includes multiple filters to keep your vacuum running smoothly. If you like convenience and want to save time and money on replacements, you should consider this set. What people say. Worked great, fit my vacuum great. Replacement filters for the Shark vacuum lift away. I washed my originals and kept and replaced with new pieces they sent. It's self-explanatory and all parts fit and it was a breeze to change out. Everything worked great. Works perfect in our older Shark vacuum. Number 2. Leadaybetter filters for Shark Navigator lift away. These filters are designed specifically for Shark Navigator lift away Deluxe series vacuum models. They are a perfect replacement for your old filters, ensuring optimal performance for your vacuum. These filters fit a wide range of models, including ZU503AMZ, CU500, NV350, NV351, NV352, NV355, NV356E, NV360, NV370, UV440, and UV540. Please check your model number to ensure compatibility. The filters are washable and reusable. Simply rinse them with clean water and let them air dry completely before reusing. This will help you save money and keep your vacuum running efficiently. Made from high-strength, environmentally friendly materials, these filters trap dirt, dust, and pet hair. Replacing the filters regularly will improve your vacuum's performance. The package includes 2 filters, 4 foam filters, 4 pre-felt filters, and a cleaning brush. This comprehensive kit ensures you have everything you need for a thorough cleaning experience. We are committed to providing excellent service. If you have any questions, please contact us. We will respond within 24 hours to help you. What we like. This filter set provides high-efficiency filtration, capturing even the smallest particles. The filters are washable and reusable, extending their lifespan. If you're looking for a filter set that offers both performance and value, you should consider it. What people say. These filters are quality and doesn't lessen suction for my Shark. You can wash one set and replace to carry on with cleaning. Very easy to install. Exact replacement as OEM. I put this in my 10-year-old Shark Navigator vacuum and the suction is as good as new. Fits well and washable. Number 1. Dttery Shark Navigator Lift Away Vacuum Filter Kit. This is a replacement kit for your Shark Navigator Lift Away vacuum. It includes 3 pre-filters made of foam and felt. They are designed to keep your vacuum running smoothly. This filter kit fits a wide range of Shark Navigator lift-away models. These include NV350, NV351, NV352, and many more. Check the list to see if it's compatible with yours. Installing the filters is simple and straightforward. The kit includes both foam and felt filters. Make sure to check the inner packaging bag for the felt filter. These filters help to capture dust and debris. They ensure your vacuum cleaner maintains optimal performance. Replacing the filters regularly is important. The package contains the foam and felt filters. They are designed to fit perfectly into your Shark vacuum. This kit will help keep it clean. What we like. This kit focuses on pre-filters, essential for protecting your vacuum's motor. It's easy to install and compatible with a wide range of Shark Navigator models. If you want to maintain your vacuum's performance and extend its lifespan, you should consider this set. What people say. These filters fit my vacuum perfectly and are sold at a very good price. They seem as well made as the original. They do a good job at stopping the particles as I had hoped. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.